This friend of ours bought this awesome Corvette from an auction, but on the way home, the motor blew. So who better to take it to get it fixed up?
You need to come down a little bit. Throw your purse at it.
All right.
There you go. You're on the dial. We're in, buddy.
Tina used to do this. Pretty sure I got this. If anything goes wrong, Mama, I love you. Safety words, Frank and Beans, remember.
I think you need Moses.
I was hoping you weren't going to say that. Oh man, if this thing slips.
Are you gonna raise up on it or what?
I'm trying.
Put your back into it. All right, we're in. It's in the hole.
Voila!
So the customer brought us this 66 Corvette since the engine was blown, and we started taking it apart. We got to the AC components and they were actually filled with mud, which shocked us because now we know that this is a flood car, so it's going to take a whole lot more to repair than just replacing the motor. So as we were replacing things, we started upgrading things like these 4-piston Willwood brakes. We also replaced the bearings since they were underwater. We upgraded the transmission to a 5-speed transmission with a new drive shaft and U-joints, and then we started on the good stuff.
Everyone sit down, brace yourselves. This might be a little much. You have a weak heart. Be prepared. Whoa! Just look at it.
So while we were busy rebuilding this 427 engine in this 1966 Corvette, we went ahead and upgraded to a Be Cool radiator to deal with this Texas heat. We also added an MSD ignition, make sure it lasts the life of the car. We also put on a Kenny carburetor so it's got all the power that it could possibly have. All that's left on this project is installing the AC on the inside of the car as well as putting the seats back in, and this baby's ready to hit the road.
It's too fat. Need to be low enough.
Are you calling me fat?
I said it is too fat. All I said.
We're all big blocks at Bomberas.
Speak for yourself.
Whenever you're
So we brought us baby. Seriously. Y'all want to go?
Just your anchor here. Hard at work. Hearing my toolbox conversing about.
It's a bench, Eric. It's not a toolbox.
Oh, sorry. Over here by my toolbox.
He's fine, folks.
All
Put
right,
that together.
so, I guess we balanced that.
Go ahead. Let it rip.
Come on, give it the hurt.
2 hours later.